This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie crust, full guide. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and gather 1/4 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoons salt, 8 tablespoons cold butter, and 3 to 4 tablespoons ice water. Work quickly to keep butter cold. Use a fork or pastry cutter to blend until pea-sized pieces form, then press into a disc and chill before rolling for best results. Start by combining flour and salt, then cut in cold butter until you see pea-sized bits, which creates flaky layers. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons ice water 1 tablespoon at a time, just until dough holds together without being wet. Shape into a flat disc, wrap and chill for at least 30 minutes before rolling to maintain texture and prevent shrinkage while baking. Flour your surface lightly and roll the chilled disc evenly to fit a 9-inch pan, keeping edges slightly thicker for support. Transfer by rolling onto the rolling pin or folding gently, then trim and crimp for a finished look. For a pumpkin filling that can be viscous, blind bake with parchment and weights until edges are golden and base looks set, ensuring a crisp bottom once filled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.